Good afternoon, everybody. I call it FC, WD40. We had bought this. They reported the earnings right up here where you can see my pointer. We have bought the 165 calls before the earnings release today. We've actually had a beautiful run off of these earnings, and that's a $19 move. That way we bought the 165 calls. Now, 99% of you option traders out there don't know how to see or use call charts or put charts, but you trade options. These options were very cheap when we got in. The low on them was only $4.10, and we got in these at $5.20, and we have rocked up here to the highs of $14.50. So just imagine if you were in here with us in our live market making division, we would have put you in the trade and you would have executed the order. If you had 10 contracts, there was nothing wrong with leaving $8,500 and selling out some of them up at the high of 1440. And so we continue to like it. We didn't sell out of all of it, but we did sell out because it's a $19 upside move. And here is the daily chart. You can see that gap right here off of that. Today's low was right around that 167 area and whatnot. I'll be putting the update and the earnings in here so you have all the information. We always trade WDFC. We're in earnings season coming, and we already knew what WDFC was going to do before they ever released a report. That's how you make the money. You got to be in it before the releases, and we're experts at that. And we have two full-time analysts that work for us, and they pay a big part. But before that gap up, the low was $2. They gapped it up today. You could have got in here. This is on an intraday level. It's a 60-minute call chart, the 165 call chart. And you people that trade options, we're market makers in these options, and we do lots of things. You better get with us because we are coming into earnings season. This is an example of how they'll be treated on good reports, but then the ones that do miss, oh, it'll be a bloodbath. Once again, home run, gap up, intraday, 60-minute call chart to the top. That is a big, huge gain. The previous day's close was $2.50. They gapped the calls right here, and the low was 410, like I said. And we got in here. We really enjoyed it because you could have did this intraday on a 60-minute call chart and the daily call chart. There's more room to go.